What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year's. I'm actually excited to show you guys what we have in store this year. And yeah, pretty much. How's your guys' New Year's? Well, I just had work, so that shit kind of sucked. But yeah, I wanted to update you guys on a couple things. So if you guys pre-ordered the mirror visors, they are in. If you guys ordered the mirror visors, you guys got lucky because this batch is actually way better than the last batch. And on top of that, here, I'll take it out for you guys real quick. So this batch, the quality is super good. It's not as flimsy as the other one, so it's super good. And on top of that, it's also tinted. So if you guys like that tint look, yeah. So if you guys pre-ordered them the last month, I will be sending it out this week or next week since there's so many orders. But the quality is super good. As of right now, the mirror visors are in stock. But last night, a couple people hopped on it like pretty quick when they saw my Instagram story. So there are only 2 left in stock. So hop on it right now if you guys really want them. And the quality is really good and it's way better than the old one. And it's tinted, so it's pretty cool. And so we have 2 left in stock before the next batch is coming in. I already ordered the other batch that's coming in right now, but hey, there's 2 in stock, so order it right now. Put the link up right here. I think right here. It's right here. It's been a while. Right here, right here. Damn, we missed the bay. She's been in the garage for like 2 months without being driven, so it's kind of sad. But I will be taking her out next week, and in like 3 weeks, whenever I get it smogged, because I'm gonna smog this thing before me and Dallas actually start on the water pump, because the water pump is actually really old and the timing belt changed, so like the whole entire thing, because he got me a kit for Christmas. Shout out to Mr. Hoffman. Damn, Daddy, this is fucking daily though. Shit, nigga. Today I'm probably gonna go to AutoZone and get some black spray paint so I could kind of like color match it way more closer to the actual paint, even though yeah, this paint is bad too. But I'm not really gonna go into detail with it, like sand it or primer it. I'm just probably gonna spray it black and then clear coat it because I don't really care about this roof wing. And the paint's actually really bad, and on the long run, I'm probably gonna paint it later to another black color. But other than that, I'm just gonna go to AutoZone and get some black spray paint and paint this up. I have no gas, and I'm about to hit 200K. That's litty. What's up, guys? I'm about to go to AutoZone and get some spray paint, and I'm sending out all your guys' orders today. So you guys will probably be getting them to 3 to 5 business days or a week from now. So yeah, keep an eye out. I just got back from AutoZone, and I got some Rust-Oleum 2x coverage paint and primer. So I guess there is some primer in here, but there ain't primer in here. Bonds to plastic, metal, and more. But I don't really care about this visor, so I just want it to look black again, because look at it. It's faded. It's faded as fuck. There's like absolutely no clear coat on it, so let's get to painting. I gotta take this shit off first, but all your orders have been sent out just now, so wait 3 to 5 business days and you'll get it. But I want to thank you guys for all the love and support, and yeah, head to the website and pick something up. You guys have a messed up roof spoiler on your Sportscross. This is how to take it off. So there's these 2 nuts right here. You see it? One right here, and there should be one right here. Right there. You just take those off and that thing should just pop off. I don't know if it's being held by double-sided tape, but we'll see right now. Oh, dude, that's all dirty and sandy. Two nuts are off. Right there. All right. Oh, what the fuck? I think it is being held by double-sided tape too. Jesus. Hopefully I don't break this shit. So I managed to take off two of the little plastic pin things. I don't know if you can see it, but there's still one. See, there's one right there. I think I kind of broke it, but there's one in the middle. So I'm trying to take it off. Looking up, there is a bolt in the middle. So there's a total of 3 bolts. One right here, one right there, and one right here. You have to take off this liner. Oh, Jesus. And there's one bolt right there. I almost took off the whole wing and snapped the shit out of it. There's also two plastic tabs you have to just rip off. But yeah, so I think this is a 10 mil. Oh, all you need is basically a socket, a 10 mil socket, long socket, so you could get around the nut, and then yeah, half drive. Let's close this carefully, and it's off. Kind of. But you have to take out the brake light, so I think it's a clip too. Forget to take off this so that the whole roof wing could actually come off. So now it's off. Ta-da! Oh shit, plastic. But yeah, there you go. Holy crap, that thing looks ugly without it. But time to paint this thing. Clean it up a little bit. If you guys do take it off, you guys want to be careful so if you guys don't want to break your tabs. So there's one right here, and there's 2 right here. But these 2 are on here, I think. Oh, was on here. Fuck it. Just washed it down. I'm just gonna wipe. Oh, it's like really rough. I should sand it, but I'm not. Look at that. It's like rough right here. Now what you guys want to do is find a thing to put it on so you can paint it. Don't do it like in like a dirt area like me, because my backyard, it looks exactly like Vietnam. But you also want to cover this up too if you don't want any overspray on it. But yeah, the bottom looks good. I might not paint the bottom, but this is really just mainly the top. But yeah, kind of masked it off with electrical tape because I don't have painter's tape. But honestly, if you guys don't want to do this, you could honestly just take off, just take it off. There's 2 screws, 1 and 2. But yeah, I don't want to take it off. But hey man, whatever works. I have way more electrical tape than actual painter's tape. Actually, I don't even have painter's tape. So it's pretty dry. And of course, if you want to do it like the professional way, well, not professional way, but like decent way, you want to sand it down, make it smooth, primer it, then paint it, probably 3 coats, and then clear coat. I'm not really a painter guy, but honestly, it'll probably come out better than this because it's faded as hell. But then right here, it's all good. Don't know why, but here's the masking, and you want to shake this bitch up. But yeah, you want to shake up the paint for a while because it's probably been sitting in the store for a while and not been touched. So just shake that bitch up. Paint. Oh fuck. I'm gonna put the camera down, this is sketch. For the first coat, I did a very light coat. It's already looking better than before. But you can still see like little blotches right here. Don't mind my chickens. Anyways, the first coat, oh shit, I kind of made it too wet right there, but shut the fuck up! It's been like an hour or 2, but I put like 3 coats and 1 coat of clear because that's all I had. But honestly, it still looks kind of the same. It's just like 1 color now, but it looks better than before. Like, I was trying to make it look a little bit glossy, but you can still see like all that shit. It's because you gotta sand it, and like when I was like cleaning it up, it was like really rough. But shit, I don't give a fuck. At least it's 1 color. Well, not like a faded color, but you can still see some. See like this part you see? That's like really rough. You would have to sand it out, but I'm not gonna do that. And I'm gonna paint the car Not anytime soon, but yeah, soon. So I wanted to show you guys this little mod my friend showed me. He told me about it when he had a wagon. Shout out to Talzak, that's his Instagram. Hit him up. He has a 370Z now, but it's about the roof wing. If you guys want it to tilt up a little bit higher, use washers. These aren't washers, but they're like the same height, but they'll probably work. And yeah, he said you just need to add like 2-3 washers to make it like tilt up a little. It's not a big difference, but he says it's a pretty cool, small, easy mod, you know. What I'm gonna do is put one in each of them on each side of the actual bolt that it's showing through. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. It's really windy, so it's kind of hard. So you want to put it like that. See it'll just be that much taller. And put this one on this side. So when you put this wing on, it will be around the actual bolt, so it's standing a little higher. I'll show you right now. I can't do this while recording. So there you go, and you just put these two on. Don't forget to put these together. Oh, well, I'll put that in. Oh, and then the final bolt right down the middle. I only had 3 washers. Well, they weren't even washers, to be honest, but you could just get like 2 washers on each side, so like 2, 4, 6. So 6 washers, 2 in the left, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the right. And it'll actually have a pretty cool difference, but I'll show you guys right now. I don't think it made big of a difference. Things in, it's three tabs, so 1, 2, and 3. Just snap it in, just push it in, and it'll go right in. And then the bolts, the nuts, 1, 2, one's over here, and then 1 right here. So let's see the difference. You could kind of tell a difference, but I only put 1 washer. Well, it was not even a washer, like I said, and it tilts a little higher. I don't think you guys can see on the camera, but the roof wing looking a little bit better than before, so that's good. But yeah, that washer actually makes it tilt a little bit higher. But yeah, that's one of the easy mods you could do for your wagon. But I don't even have washers, so I can't really show you guys, but it's pretty cool. I had a little problem right now, I had to take it off again. But you guys want to make sure that you guys are pulling the roof wing towards you so that it doesn't get stuck, because every time I opened the wagon, it would make a noise. Not anymore. And it would clip like right there. But you want to make sure that the roof wing is pulled all the way this way, because if it's too close and you tighten it too close to here and you open the truck, it'll just like clip it right here and make a fucking noise, and that shit was annoying as fuck. Man, my lips are fucking chapped. Anyways, there you go, and there's your roof wing. A little mod that you could do, but I don't think you guys could tell, but I could see it a little, just a little, because the washers, make sure you get bigger washers. Don't get 2 washers, get 1 big one, so it doesn't have to dangle all around and make noise. That's why I also put those rubber ones in, because they won't make noise. Well, I will be getting tint for this car. I usually am against tint, and because the cops will just pull you over right away, and it sucks. I wanted to do a black on chrome, just like the sedan, just to make it more cleaner. I just want to tint out the windows so that you don't see that ugly tan interior, because my tan interior is pretty trash. Yeah, I'll show you guys real quick. So yeah, the previous owners had this car for the longest time, and he did maintenance to it, but all like important maintenance, not like the interior wise, but it's the thing about tan is that it's fucking disgusting, because when it gets dirty it's just black. It's like shit, OCD, man. But yeah, I'll be tinting the interior, the windows, because yeah, I don't like the tan interior, but the sedan is just gonna stay just like that. Cause the interior, fuck, why did I lock up the car? Cause the interior is all black, except for the top. But yeah, fucking clean. Down in the video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. My painting skills are pretty bad, so that's why I have like the homies help me out. Like Dallas is pretty good at painting, and yeah, so that's why they usually help me out. But painting is not my thing. I'll just tell you that. I'll fucking spray paint like a fucking box or something. It'll still come out really bad. But I did send out all the mirror visor orders, so that's good. You guys will receive them 3 to 5 business days. And if you guys want some, I have 2 in stock right now. I have another batch coming. Once I get sold out on the site, there will be pre-orders again. And hit the link up here for the mirror visors. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a great New Year's. A great one. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys really have a great New Year's. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. We'll be back with another video, and I'll see you next time. Deuces!